Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you my method on how I clean, prep, and cook my barbecue chicken. Stay tuned. So picking up your drumstick, you want to go ahead and get a nice grip, and this is very slippery, so be careful. So now you want to go ahead, while holding it, you want to cut it in a going downward method, and you want to do the same thing to the side. You want to hold it, that little piece, watching your fingers so you don't cut yourself. You want to slide down. Do that on both sides of the chicken, of the drumstick I should say. You want to keep going down until you are able to fully expose the bone part. Once you're able to see the bone, you want to go ahead and flip that over, hold by the skin, and you want to cut that off. Use it as your guide with your knife. Just slide down. It's very easy to cut, it's very light. And once you're done cutting all around, removing all of that fat because you just don't need it. After you finish cutting, just turn it over like a sweater, and with your kitchen shears just want to cut that. If you don't have, a knife will do, but the shears are much faster, of course. And that fat you just cut, trash, don't need it. Now with your knife, you want to make a couple of slits. Now the reason why I make those slits is when you start seasoning your chicken, you want all of the flavor to go right in for the bone, so flavor can be all around it. Just want to go ahead and wash your tools, and I like to rinse off the chicken before I start the disinfecting. Now with your white vinegar, you want to go ahead and pour it all over the chicken. Don't be like me, I did not have enough. Now you want to go ahead and just wash each drumstick, and you want to rinse that again and pour it out. Now taking your lime in a new bowl, you want to go ahead and squeeze a little bit of the lime juice in the bowl and throw that lime on top of your chicken. Now taking a new bowl or surface area, you want to go ahead and take your drumstick, and with that lime you want to go ahead and clean it very thoroughly, taking the bone inside the slits. Just go ahead and just get all up in there. After you have done that, you want to go ahead and rinse it one more time, and now it's time for the fun part, seasoning. Yeah. Now when I'm cooking, I honestly do not measure how much seasoning I put in my food. I just always know just exactly how much to put. One thing about me though, I am very heavy-handed with the cayenne pepper. I love spicy food. Now you want to add a little bit of oil, and from earlier, that lime juice we had poured out, you want to go ahead and drop it all over your meat. And now you want to go ahead and just mix. Make sure you get all the slits, the bone, all around the chicken, because that is what's gonna give it all of the flavor you need inside and out of the drumstick. While you was mixing, your pan should have been preheating. I had mine on medium high, and you want to go ahead and put all of the drumstick on inside of the pan. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and pour out that seasoning gravy all over that, and you want to go ahead and cover that and let it do its thing. Just coming back to just check on how the boiling process was going. As you can see, it is boiling very nicely. However, it is not ready yet. You want to keep it boiling a little bit longer. The reason why we boil our meat is so we can get all of that excess blood away from the chicken. You don't want to be eating any of that. So I left it on the stove for another 15 minutes. That is 30-minute boil time. I'm so sorry, but this process takes time. When I'm making my food, it takes time, honey. Now with the barbecue sauce of your choice, you want to go ahead and just pour that out inside a bowl. And this step is optional, but I do love spicy. Just want to go ahead and put that in there, and you want to go ahead and mix those two together. Now the chicken is actually ready to eat, but since doing barbecue, you want to go ahead and mix that in there and put it in your pan. Just go ahead and eat that with whatever you like, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.